In 2025, Jamaica recorded 373 road fatalities, and now there has been a major step to improve road safety with the official launch of the National Motorcycle Helmet Standard. The measure was introduced by the Bureau of Standards Jamaica in partnership with the JN Foundation through the Helmet Wearing Coalition. Danita Rodney was there, and in her report, she explains that the initiative aims to ensure riders have access to safer, certified helmets and to reduce the growing number of motorcycle deaths on the nation's roads.
Wearing a helmet could mean the difference between life and death for motorcyclists. Road safety advocates, including the World Health Organization, say proper helmet use remains one of the most effective ways to prevent fatal head injuries in motorcycle crashes. With this in mind, the Bureau of Standards Jamaica officially launched its motorcycle helmet standard in Kingston on Tuesday. Public Education and Customer Service Coordinator at the Bureau, Ellis James Laing, says the launch marks an important milestone in protecting riders.
Today's launch of the Jamaican Standard Specification for Protective Helmets for Road Users, JS 374-2025, or the Motorcycle Helmet Standard, is both timely and necessary. Over this past weekend alone, reports indicate that as many as 4 motorcyclists tragically lost their lives on our roads. These incidents serve as a sobering reminder of the vulnerability of motorcycle users and the urgent need for stronger safety interventions. Now, while the introduction of a national standard will not, in and of itself, eliminate road fatalities, it represents a critical step in safeguarding lives. It underscores the importance of wearing certified, good quality helmets. Helmets that are designed, tested, and proven to protect.
Minister of State in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Seiveright, describes the new standard as a decisive step towards safeguarding lives and coordinating national action on road safety.
The launch of JS 374-2025, the Jamaica Standard Specification for Protective Helmets for Road Users, represents far more than the introduction of a technical standard. It represents, my friends, a decisive step by Jamaica to protect lives through science, regulation, and coordinated national action.
Executive Director at the Bureau, Dr. Velton Gooden, says the new requirements will address critical safety standards and help ensure helmets provide the protection riders need.
The JS 37-2025 has been carefully developed to introduce clear, practical, and internationally aligned guidelines for protective helmets used by motorbike riders. It addresses critical safety and quality parameters, ensuring that helmets worn on our roads are fit for purpose, capable of absorbing impact, and designed to protect the lives of those who depend on them every single day.
A helmet isn't just a gear, it's a lifeline. Wear it, every ride, every time. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Danita Rodney.